TT Squad, this is Tiga. I am sitting up here making me some sweets. Want some sweet. This some Greek yogurt. I said Greek fruit. Lord have mercy. Some Greek yogurt. I'm making me a snack. I seen it on YouTube, and I love yogurt, so I think I'm gonna use like half of this. This is a 16 ounce. Making me some yogurt bites, little bits. But I'm gonna add, dang, I use more than half. It's only like 90 calories. Oh, it's 18 grams of protein, which is good. 5 grams of sugar. Now, no, I can't see for nothing. And got my glasses on top. Bam, got my glasses. Bam, got my glasses. Okay. I got my trays right here. I'm gonna rinse my trays out. Because I want it to be in a tray. I couldn't find the tray that I wanted. I went to the dollar store to look for like a I looked for like an ice tray because the little miniature ones I could have them pop in my mouth. But I couldn't find it, so I decided to get them, use this one, and put them in here and just freeze them, because you gotta leave them in the refrigerator, in the freezer for like 30 minutes. Yes. And they can come out like little cupcakes. But I'm gonna add all types of stuff in it. Okay, put that back in the top. Okay. I'm adding the yogurt. Then I'm adding a cup of blueberries inside of it. Ooh, yeah. And you know I want my protein so they can have protein. So this is 42 grams of protein. This came from a I think it's from Premier Protein. It's a powder version. Gonna mix it all up together. I got a spoon, cause you gotta have a spoon. You gotta have it. See, it looked like almost like ice cream, but you want a nice little crunch to it when you mix it. Then I got these. These some like nuts and stuff that I got from my girlfriend. I'm gonna mix them all up in here. And they have 14 grams of protein in it. And it smells good. It smells so good. Look, y'all. It might don't look good. It might don't look good, but it smells good though. Bam. It's yogurt. I'll be right back, TT Squad. I'm back, TT Squad. These are like little nut clusters. I'm going to sprinkle on there. I'm going to get a little thing, take a little teaspoon. And I'm going to sprinkle on top of here. They're like little nuts. They're going to be so delicious. And it's all like, they call clusters. My girlfriend got them from Costco. And she bringing them, they high in protein. And they are really good. I put them in the inside. And I put them on top. So we could just enjoy it. And she bought me a bag. And they are freaking delicious. They are so delicious. See, I'm gonna let them freeze out. I had some mix left. I'm gonna use this mix to go with my breakfast in the morning. I'm gonna eat yogurt for breakfast tomorrow. I'm gonna put these in the freezer and let them sit. Look, y'all. They look really, really, really good. And it's gonna taste really, really, really good. With that being said, TT Squad, I'll be right back. I gotta sit them in the freezer for like 30 minutes and let them freeze up, and I'm gonna let y'all see the end results. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. I am taking them out the freezer so we can see what they look like. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, they look good. Yes, I got my paper plate. Yeah. Bam. I'm gonna take one out, see if they frozen. See, they nice and frozen like little candy. Yeah. is actually gonna be my dinner. Them two right there. Oh my God. They came out good, look. They are really good. Now, oh my God. I really did a good job, guys. Teacher Squad, yeah. Got me another snack I can enjoy. Eat one of these and keep it going. But I think I'm going to keep this thing on because they are pretty cold. But I'm eating this now. This is going to be my dinner right here. This one right here. This one, put it back in here because I can't eat that right now. But, put it right there. They are really good. Let them get a little bit more harder for me. Put them in the freezer. When I'm ready for a snack, put them in the Ziploc bag. Bam, boom, eat. Man. TT Squad, this is really good. I got blueberries in them. This is so good. Like, share, subscribe. So I got now. Like, share, subscribe, TT Squad. Bye.